Okay, I will share my screen.
Yes.
Okay, so today we are learning about the hook. Actually, this is the new feature in React. So basically, why we use hooks? Like previously, we need to suppose we are creating component. In that, we need to use the class. We need and uh, in that we need to use the set state method. Then in that we need to use this keyword and all that. So these keyword might be confusing for someone. So and we can't use set stating functional component, right? So there will be the limitation for the functional component. We need to use only the class and React component. So in latest feature, in this latest hooks feature, uh, we can we can use the functional component, and in that to change the value, we can use the use state. So there are many methods in the hooks, like use state, use effect, and one more thing. Functional component is better than the class component. So in efficiency wise, so I read that somewhere, like it is efficient than the class component. So um, i I think all of you are aware of hooks, but I am just revising it. So what we will do, the basic, like changing the count and all that, changing the value of that variable. So what I will take today, like we will change the state of the object. Means we will learn about today about the how we will deal with the object. Suppose there is an object, in that data is there. So how we will set that values. So first of all, here I will import React. The first component. Then we will create the one functional component. Like,
Smith, how should we import?
sorry,
In React import statement, how should be kept? Okay.
on this component. So what we will do here, uh, first of all, we will create, let's write this in Python. And that what we can do, we will take two text boxes, and in that we will enter the in that we will enter the values, and we can do and we will change the values, display the latest values by on click or on change. We will
Either you can remove close input tag. It's a self-closing tag, so you don't need.
Okay, so we will take one button. First of all, then we will create here um, name. The initial value or we will so this two data here you can see two data has the two values. The two data is a like object in that we have two values, first name and last name. So what we will do, the value we will take here. Dot first name. This will be data of last name. So what we will do, that I'm getting an error here.
Close input, and you have error in input, yeah, in last flow.
We have created this component, so we will create here. First, we will import here. We will import this function. Default. Explain it. So now we can now we have imported here that component and we can use the component here. So well, I haven't written the code for sets to data. Just so we have created. Now we will give the functionality to button, submit button. So we will, and that I can create one function here.
Smita,
So here,
Smita,
yeah,
on change should be field,
sorry, what?
on change method should be an input field, right? Because you want to call that function whenever the input value changes, not on button click.
Yeah, yeah, okay, yeah. Data. So what we will do here, this show data function, because I'm writing the code here only in this online. And now what we will do, we will show the values here in H1 tag for both for last name and first name. So data dot first name and to data dot last name for this. So now what I'm doing is, I have took the two text boxes. So for one is for first name and second for last name. So in that, what I'm doing, so suppose we are entering the data here. So on change, it will call the function. It will assign the value, the enter value to the first name,
Okay.
and we will display that data here in H1 tag.
Um, okay. Can you try to run this code now?
Yeah, I think yes, I need to assign to data.
Can we change the value of a state variable?
Sorry, what?
Can we change assign value to state variable like how you have done right now?
Okay.
inside this object
Set to data uh,
first name
first name,
target.applet.
first name,
Col colon not equal to.
to data in that object data. So using this, we will get the value which is we have entered in the that HTML element. It is created. So when I'm writing, and now I will change the but it is only one we have created the same we are setting the values like the first name at that time only one variable is assigning means
Why it should
for
not?
the first time yeah to like for that we need to first uh, we need to take the object as it is so that the value which has been stored in this object we can because here we are setting the value only for first name but we are not taking the value for last name. See, here, only first name it is coming. So we can do it like first for that we will take the whole object as it is with
Hmm.
previous values. Now now we are taking this two data first name last name. We are taking the data after that we are changing the value for only first name.
Cool.
So we are taking care of other data in that object also. Previously, what we are doing, we are just taking care of the first name. So the last name in that, if I change the first name only, this one is taken showing, but the last name is disappearing. So what the difference between two? Here we are taking care of stored data, and here we are not.
Do it for both of them.
Oh,
Can anyone tell like what this syntax is about? Dot 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 stored data, what it is doing?
It is just taking the previous value whatever it is used to
Was it against Deepak on yourself? So I muted you.
now,
You're saying
now the values are not disappearing. So this is the spread operator. Like using this, we are first of all taking the object as it is. We are assigning the values here. Then we are changing the first name to another value. So that we are doing here. In this way, we can handle the use state method for the object which has the more than one key value pair.